Move your arm just gently across your belly, if you can. Yeah, that's fine, just leave it there. No, dude, you need to support it. Just gently place your arm down so that it is comfortable. I'll do it. Yeah, that's fine. You do it to where you feel comfortable. Is that as far as you can go? Well, I'll have to back sprint it. Yeah, you can't move it at all. I can't mobilise it, so I'm going to need at least a back sprint or something. I'll just walk through. Yeah, don't worry, we're not going to take you off. First. We'll walk you down. You're not going to get lifted off or anything. Right, Roz is on it. Roz is just here. She's a nurse. She's going to have a look at your arm.
I'll do it down there. I'll just walk down.
She'll come over first and have a look at you. Alright?
Support it before you get out. There they are. But,
Quite gentleman, he's got a lovely shoulder injury. Came out of place slightly. He came off and done a few somersaults.
Okay.
Fighting for him somewhere that way, and he's pulled himself to the side. Got a shoulder injury. I've had a look.
Definitely out. Right, what we'll do, can we get this gear off you? I haven't removed your shoulder. Where's your strap? There.
I'll have to take the helmet off now.
Alright, we'll get that off just now.
Chin up, dude. And the other one. Take your camera and your somebody want to support his neck while you take the helmet off?
It's alright, honestly. Take it off,
You managed to get yourself from there to here?
Yeah.
You did?
I've got it back.
Yeah? Shoulders back. Over the head, is it? Jamie. Still running. Come on! Smile, Jamesy.
Support that at the same time. You hold your arm then.
Here's BA just to add his support to James's unfortunate circumstances.
Never appropriate.